Well, with 2013 almost over, there certainly were a lot of big weather stories this past year. 22 News Storm Team meteorologist Nick Bannin looked back at an interesting year of weather that's almost behind us.
After a quiet start to last winter, we caught up in a big way. Early February brought a huge winter storm to western Massachusetts, dumping 20 to 30 inches of snow. A snowy end to winter brought a very dry start to spring. At times, western Massachusetts was in a drought with very little rain until May and June, when very, very wet weather arrived, bringing the Connecticut River up high and fast, which also delayed the start of the boating season. The summer was hot.
It seemed like a very, very mild summer, actually. Just really been thinking about the winter because that's been the most recent. But that, too, has been fairly mild.
This past summer also brought occasional severe weather. A tornado touched down in Windsor Locks, Connecticut, with a microburst in Agawam. However, we were lucky in some ways. 2013 will be known as being quiet when it comes to tropical storms or hurricanes, with no major impacts from them in the United States. By the time fall came around, the weather cooperated for the fall foliage season.
It was nice this year. Some years it's been a little dull, but this year was pretty bright. And we always take a trip to Vermont, too.
And that brings us to this winter, which has brought a few snowstorms followed by record warmth last weekend. Not enough snow for some people who do depend on it.
Not enough of it. Could do more. I like it when it snows, make a little extra money plowing.
This year we've had slightly less rainfall than in a normal year, but we only need about an inch of rain to catch up, and there looks to be heavy rain on the way. That rain, once it's gone, will have us likely remembering the beginning of 2014 as getting off to a really cold start. In Chicopee, Storm Team meteorologist Nick Bannin, 22 News.